Okay, Mahak, you tell me about this. What is chemistry? Yes. What is? Yes, yes. Tell about what is chemistry. Okay, okay, good. So, Ramanpreet Kaur, now you tell. What does chemistry deals about? Are you there, Ramanpreet? Are you attending the class? Tell about what does chemistry deal about? What does chemistry deal about? So, listen carefully. The answer of this is chemistry deals about the composition and method of preparation of substances. Okay, so in chemistry we will study about the composition of substance and method of preparation of substance. So you can write like this: chemistry deals about the composition and methods of preparation of substance. Clear? Clear? Okay, tell me anyone. Answer of this: what does chemistry deal about? Chemistry deals about the composition and methods of preparation of substance. Clear? Okay. Tell me, Ramanpreet. Ramanpreet. Okay, Mac, you tell me, then they repeat. Then they all repeat this. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. You can also write this like chemistry deals about the composition and method of preparation. Okay, so this is short. Chemistry deals about the composition and methods of preparation. Yes, chemistry deals about the composition and methods of preparation. So in chemistry, we deal with the composition and method of preparation. Okay, okay. Now, Swalia, you tell me answer of this. What does chemistry deal about? Ravanpreet, Ravanpreet, what does chemistry deal about? Jasmeet Kaur. Okay, so you can also write as I tell you, chemistry deals about the composition and method of preparation of substance. This is short answer. Okay. Chemistry deals about the composition and methods of preparation of substance. Okay. So I'm telling that you can also write chemistry deals about composition and methods of preparation of substance. Okay. This is short answer. Clear? Hmm. So repeat all of you. Rizwan Malik, tell me answer. Tell me what does chemistry deal? What does chemistry deals about? Okay, repeat. Mahak, repeat. Repeat this answer. Yes. What does? Okay, okay. Do. Okay. Now repeat. Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine, are you attending the class? Sohalia. Ramanpreet Kaur. Repeat this answer. Not preposition. Composition and preparation of substance. Composition means what the substance contain. Okay. What is in the substance. Okay. Composition mean what the substance contain or what is in the substance. Or method of preparation means how it made with what method. Okay. So in chemistry we deals about the composition and methods of preparation. Okay, Rizwan Malik, now you repeat. Good morning. Rizwan Malik, you repeat this. What does chemistry deals about? What does yes, yes, about composition. Okay, preparation of substance. Jasmeet Kaur. Okay, good. Okay, good. So our next question is what are pesticides? Okay, so listen carefully. Pesticides are substance that are used to control pests. Okay, pesticides are now listen carefully. Pesticides are substance that are used to control pests. Okay, and what are pests? Pests are destructive insects or other animals that attacks crop. Clear? So firstly you have to learn this. Pesticides are substances that are used to control pests. Clear? Okay. So we are doing what are pesticides. ठीक है, पेस्टिसाइड्स क्या होते हैं? सो पेस्टिसाइड्स आर द सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ क्लियर? Gulfan, my voice is clear to you? Pesticides are substances. Pesticides are substances that are used to control pests. Okay? Learn this line. Pesticides are substances that are used to control pests. Mehak, now my voice is clear? Okay. So, what are pesticides? What are pesticides? That are used to control pests. Okay. And what are pests? What are pests? You know about pests? So listen. Pests are destructive insects or other animals that attacks crop. Okay. बेटा जो हमारी क्रॉप को खराब करते हैं वो इंसेक्ट और एनिमल्स होते हैं. पेस्ट क्या होते हैं? जो हमारी क्रॉप को खराब करते हैं. ठीक है, एनिमल्स हो चाहे वो इंसेक्ट्स हो, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? पेस्ट्स. क्लियर? Okay. So you can write pesticides are substances that are used to control pests. And next you will write this: pests are destructive insects. Pests are destructive insects or other animals that attacks crop. Clear? Pests are destructive insects or other animals that attacks crop. Yes, yes. So one line is two line answer is there. Pesticide are substances that are used to control pest. Next line is pests are destructive insects. So we have also tell about pest in this question. Pests are destructive insects and other animals that attacks crop. Okay, clear? बेटा इसके बाद आपने एक लाइन भी लिखनी है, पेस्ट के बारे में बताना है कि पेस्ट क्या होते हैं. पेस्ट आर डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंसेक्ट्स और अदर एनिमल्स दैट अटैक्स क्रॉप. ओके ओके. द इंसेक्ट और दैट अटैक्स क्रॉप. दैट अटैक्स क्रॉप. क्लियर? ओके. Repeat, anyone? Repeat the answer. What are pesticides? What are okay? And one line is more about pests. Okay. That that attack crop. जब हमारी क्रॉप्स को क्या करते हैं, खराब करते हैं. ओके. दैट अटैक्स क्रॉप. क्लियर? ओके. टेल मी एनीवन. रिजवान मलिक. टेल 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 me the answer. What are pesticides? Yes, yes. Control pest. ठीक है. And what are pest? What are pest? What are pest? Yes, yes. Destructive insect. Destructive insects. ठीक है. ओके. जो अ, हमारी क्रॉप को खराब करने वाले, ठीक है, इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं और एनिमल्स होते हैं. That are known as pests. Clear? Yes. That attacks crop. That attacks crop. Clear?